This is the SANROCK drone, and if you're wondering what does the SANROCK drone look like and why am I showcasing it to you, because the SANROCK drones are extremely affordable. They're well known for being hyper affordable, and they work really easily. Wondering if you're going to get a starter drone, I think this might be great for people who are looking to get a starter drone to play with their kids and to test out on themselves. So let's see what's inside. Here is the box. Here is what it looks like if you have it all set up. You have with the controller, photo recording, video recording, heading hold mode, altitude hold mode, real-time FPV, custom flight route, one button touch, off, takeoff and landing, Wi-Fi control, and low battery alarm. This is really a great gift idea. The drone comes with auto hovering and auto landing. So the two features that I think are the most required for any beginner are auto landing and hovering, because that takes like some finger dexterity, and you don't need to worry about that because this will do it on its own. You get the drone right there, the SANROCK. Here's your controller. Here is the battery. This is a 1500 mAh battery. Cables. These are additional propellers. So you get 4 additional propellers. So these propellers. So we're gonna take it out to show you. Without the battery attached is 4.4 ounces, so even lighter than the controller. We're going to insert our battery here. So you just insert the battery by popping it in. Boom. Now we're inserted. With the battery, it weighs about 5.8 ounces. So this is the full maximum weight of your SANROCK. And let's talk about what it does. So the auto hovering is going to let it hover in place. That makes sure that it has a steady hover mode. It's easy to control because it has one key, start and stop. And as long as you keep this within a certain range, you don't want to make it go too far because the battery life is about 10 to 13 minutes. So what does that mean? You're going to be getting about 5 minutes of flight time away and back. You want to keep, I would say this is why this is 720p, is because it's meant to be a starter drone. So you get real FPE in real-time transmission because you have your controller. So return home, video photo, you have your speed switching, and you have takeoff landing. So return home and takeoff landing are pretty much probably your 2 most favorite buttons. So imagine this is our phone. Now this is a big phone, right? This is an this is a iPhone 8. So look, this is how the controller would look if you're gonna be using it and adjusting it. And that would be the entire set, everything inside the box. And if you get an out of range alarm, it's gonna beep DDD to let you know to return the drone immediately. The SANROCK is really well made ABS construction, easy to use, and this is a starter drone.